Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove a Google account from your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, open Settings. Then go to Accounts and Backup. Under the Accounts and Backup section, tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on the email address for the Google account you want to remove. Hit the Remove Account button. Review the new pop-up, then tap Remove Account to confirm your action. The selected Google account is now completely removed from your device. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.